Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Did you guys know that there are many apps and websites that could possibly be accessing to your phone number without your consent? And it is not very good sign for apps or website to be accessing your phone number. So in order to stop that, we're going to show you 4 ways how to do it. So the first thing is to stop Google, for which you can go to your settings. And on your settings, you have to scroll down. And then you can see there is the option of apps, tap on it. And on the apps here, you'll have to search for Google. You can manually search or you can tap on the search bar right here and then start typing Google. Here you can see there is the option of Google, tap on it, and this will take you to the settings of your Google. And in here, what you're going to do is now tap on permissions. So on your permissions here, you can see Google is using these applications from your phone. Here you can see Google is using phone right here. So Google does not really need your phone. So in order to turn it off, you can tap on the phone option. And in here, you can see it is currently allow. You can tap on don't allow and then tap on don't allow anyway. So now Google won't be able to use your phone applications and get your number from here. You can go back. And in here, you can also see there is the option of SMS. You can tap on it and also tap on don't allow. Since SMS also have your phone number, you can tap on don't allow and then again tap on don't allow anyway. And you can go back. And now Google won't be able to access your phone number in any way. So the next thing that you can do is stop Chrome. So in order to do that, you can open the Chrome application. And in here, you can go to the settings of your Chrome, for which you can tap on the 3-dot bar that you can see right here. And in here, you can tap on settings. And on the settings, you'll have to now tap on address and more right here. And you can see the save and fill addresses is currently turned on. You'll have to turn off by simply just tapping on this toggle button like this. And now any of the applications won't be able to get your address or phone number by any means. So the third thing that you can do is check which applications can access your any personal information, for which you can go to your settings first. So after opening your settings, now you have to scroll down and then you can see there is the option of security and privacy. You can tap on it. So in the security and privacy, you have to scroll down and on the bottom, you can see there is the option of more privacy settings. You can tap on it. And in here, you can see there is the option of permission manager here. You can tap on permission manager. And by tapping on it here, you can see there is the option of contacts right here. You can tap on contacts. And in here, you can see these are the applications that are currently using your contacts. So you have to ask to yourself, does this applications really need your contact? For example, like this application called Bixby, does it really need your contact? So if it does not need the contact and it really seems suspicious, you can tap on this application like this and then tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. And you can go back. And you can see there are also some applications called Android System or Android Auto. Sometimes scammers can use this kind of application. So if it is really not required and it seems really suspicious, you can tap on those and then tap on don't allow in order to not allow any contact permissions for these applications. So the last thing that you can do is stop apps from accessing call logs, for which you can also simply just go to permissions just like before to your settings. And here you can see this was the contact permissions. You can go back and again go back. And in here you can see this is the permission manager. And in here you can see there's the option of call logs. You can tap on it. And again, you can see these are the applications that are currently using your call logs. You can tap on the application that does not really require the call logs from your phone, like this application from before. Tap on don't allow and then tap on don't allow anyway. And yeah, these should be all. So these were some ways that you can prevent scammers from getting your information from your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.